Here's how to review your reports in 1 minute with easy texting. First, click on Reporting in the left nav. Here you can see a breakdown of your statistics for sent messages. Use the drop-down to filter the results by dates. Underneath the line graph has even more detailed reporting, like displaying the number of delivered messages, bounced messages, how many contacts replied back, how many clicked the link if you attached one, and how many unsubscribed from your campaign. You can also sort the reports by percentages if you wish to. To track individual campaign reports, click on Delivery Reports. Here you can view how previous campaigns performed by simply clicking View Report. Click on any of the percentages in either the delivery or engagement statistics to dive even deeper. Lastly, back on the reporting page, you can also sort your reports by contacts. And just like that, you viewed your reports in 1 minute with easy texting. Try it free.